what's going on YouTube guys? This is Alisa from ForFitKicks.uk. Today I want to introduce these two pairs of shoes, the zebra and the green white. Okay, now we can have a look about the shoes box. This is our factory shoes size label. It's the original shoes size label. Okay, and the zebra shoes size label. Please have a check. Okay. Now we can take the shoes in my hand. This is the zebra. Very popular now. The back of the shoes. This part we can check in a shorter distance. The front of the shoes. The zebra version. This part is a snail. The zebra version. This back part is a snail. And the green white version. This part not a snail, is a white. The Adidas company have some change in here. And these two shoes bottom not the same. The zebra bottom, this is a yellow color, and the green white shoes bottom is just a very little yellow. We can check the back of the shoes. The zebra bottom is very yellow, and the green white bottom not very yellow, a little yellow. This is two different of these version shoes. But these two also very hot sale now. You can buy each pair for yourself. Okay, now we can take a UV light. The zebra button and the green white button. All can have a UV light test. When these shoes take a UV light in the night time, they look very beautiful. Yes, we can check this. The zebra version. This part can have a UV light test, and the green white. This back here can't take a UV light test. This is a big change in these two version shoes. The Adidas companies have some change in these two version shoes. First is this bottom, the bottom not the same, and the second is this part, the back part. The green white is white, not snail, and the other version of the Yeezy all snail this part. And the cream white this part can't have a UV light test. The zebra can have a UV light test. Do you have a check? Please have a look about these two differences. Okay, now I will give each pair in short distance to have a look. Very beautiful white shoes. Welcome to buy it on my website. Okay, now I will take the zebra one. Zebra. Okay, thank you for your watching this video, and I will be back soon for another video. See you next time. Peace.